You want your business to grow. You know that in order to grow, you need more customer sites up and running, while also supporting your current customers. But how do you scale? Imagine there was a way to manage more sites with fewer resources, a way to scale your business faster while providing even greater value to your customers, all while building recurring revenue. Imagine a solution that allowed you to adjust camera and system settings, perform upgrades, and check on the health of your customer sites without ever having to roll out a truck. That's why we created Avigilon Blue, an integrator cloud service platform that is straightforward and intuitive. Whether you're an IT novice or an expert, you can deliver a new level of managed services with systems that are smart, secure, reliable, and simple to deploy, and most importantly, flexible enough to scale. Avigilon Blue. Connect, manage, service, grow.